This is one of our full-page recipe binders, quite a bit larger than the slightly more popular half-page binders, but you get a lot with it. These are recipe cards here, so it holds standard 4x6 recipe cards. So they're quite nice, and it comes with all of these recipe cards. It also comes with a few sheet protectors, not a lot. If you're making a family cookbook with our software, just on your own, you may want to get some extra sheet protectors. And here's your dividers. It's a nice color. I like this green. And lastly, this is kind of cool little idea here. It's a little tie-up full sheet envelope that you can use for storing recipes until you get around to organizing them later. Very, very handy, I find. You got your conversion chart over here and a little reference guide over here. Really nice. And here's what it looks like on the back. It's got a, I don't know if you can make it out, depending on your screen resolution, but it's got a leather-like, it's called leatherette style of coating, which is nice because it has a leather feel, but it's also, you know, really water resistant, so it's really splash resistant. With a nice little gold foil stamp on the cover and gold corners.